This is what actually happened. I have a window. I put pictures in. The window that she's talking about is right by my door. I get up every morning and I crack the window just so the building can have, a little fresh air. She'll come over to the window, open it wide. So we were just playing this window game. I shut it, she opened it. So I said, you know what, this is kind of silly. I'm gonna go to her and ask her, what are we doing here? I went to her door, Your Honor, and I asked her, what's going on with the window? She started screaming at me saying, that is not your window. So it got really loud. I couldn't dial my phone. So next thing I know, she went back in the house and me and the other lady were just like, whoa, what just happened here? And then she came back out the door again. And I said, you know what? You need to just go back in the house. You don't tell me what to do. And then she hit me again. And this time when she hit me, she fell over into me and we fell on the ground and I ended up on top of her. And she took her arms and wrapped them around me while I was on top of her. And she started screaming, help me, help me. I said, you're the one. She's so strong, Your Honor, I couldn't even break away. I said, can you just please let me up? She finally let her arms go. So she walked down the hallway and me and the other lady was just still standing there. And then the next thing I know, here comes the police. They come talk to me. And they looked at my face, they took pictures and everything. And then the fire truck came, they looked at me and gave me a cold pack for my face. I didn't get a chance to tell them that she hit me twice, but when the police officer did come back to look at the camera footage, I told him that she actually hit me twice. And I did talk to the manager about what she saw on the camera footage. And she told me that the only thing that she saw on the camera footage was me on top of her. And I said, how is that possible and they're trying to say that the other witness didn't step into the situation until I was on top of her.